Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Afra, and today what we're going to learn is how to make two diamonds and connecting each other. So this is my output I want here. So how do we make that? We already know how to make one diamond. How do we make another diamond and connect it with the other diamond? So let's start. So you see this purple arrow here? It means that we have zero spaces because you see this yellow thing? These all are the boundaries. Okay? So you see this purple arrow here, right? Here there's zero spaces, one space, two space, three space, four space, and so on. Okay? Same thing for this diamond here. Zero spaces, one space, two space, and so on. But here, zero spaces. Don't mind about this, okay? So zero spaces, just assume it's zero spaces because like just don't mind that gap. Okay. That's zero spaces, okay? So zero spaces, two spaces, four spaces, and so on. Okay? What it's doing here in the middle, all of these spaces here, you can see where I said two spaces, I mean zero spaces, two spaces, four spaces, all of those are these the spaces are getting doubled, so times two by these blue lines here. So zero space, one space, it's getting doubled usually. So how do we make that Python program? So let's get right into the Python program. Okay? So let me first share this. Let me first share that. Okay? Now what we do, we already know how to make a diamond. Sorry, so we already know how to make this diamond. How do we make another diamond beside it? Connecting together, concatenation. So this is the program to make a diamond. So how do we do the for the other one? Okay. So what we do is, so if we go back, okay, remember back the space is getting doubled, right? So, and also we have two pyramids. So, we need to make another pyramid program after our first pyramid program. And there's a teeny tiny change there, which is we put space there. Because we needed to double the spaces, that's why we're putting a space here. To double the space. We don't need a new line here. Okay? So if we put none here, this pyramid program right here, our second pyramid program, is going to print a new line. Do we want that? No, we don't want that. Exactly. So let's run the code, okay? Okay? Let's write, sorry, so let's write 10. Okay? But this is not what we wanted. We don't want that, right? So what else do we have to take out? We also have to take out that the second for an I-range rows. So if we put 10, and as you can see, it writes our two pyramids beside it, but where's our other inverse pyramid? Okay? So same thing we do for inverse pyramid. Yes, exactly. So let's copy our inverse pyramid program. And okay, let's just copy it. And we will put that there. And Control V. And we don't want, okay, we can just take out this one. You could take out any. So we already have 4 and I range rows. We don't want that again because you saw what happened. So we don't want that, right? And now the program switched. But remember, we wanted to double the spaces, right? So what we do is put here space. And if we run it, let's see what it writes. So if we write here 10, exactly. It writes our two diamonds connecting together, concatenation, like this. Because we wanted this code and you saw the code, that's exactly it, okay? So guys, let's go back to the code and change some numbers. Okay, so we're already here. Now, let's change the star into something else. So I can put here star, let's say 8, and I can put star here 8, and here 8, here 8. And if we run it, let's write here 10. 10 is maximum. It writes 8. What if I want to write here 5? So let's just try something new. Let's write 5, and we can write here 5. Let's see what happens. So if we write 10, look, in this diamond, in our first diamond is only, in our first diamond, it's writing 8. In our second diamond, it's writing 5, right? Okay? So, okay. Now let's just play with the code, and I can change 8, let's say, into 5, and this here will be 8. And now let's see what happens. So 10 is the maximum for the rows. And see, for our two pyramids here, as you can see, our two pyramids is writing 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, and so on. It's writing 5, but in our two inverse pyramids here, it's writing 8. Okay? So I can change this number to anything. I can change it to 5, exclamation, a parenthesis. I can change it to anything, even to this, as you saw. So let's see if we write 13. Okay, now see, look, guys. It's writing here in our first pyramid. So, in our first pyramid, okay? So so in our first pyramid is printing 5. And in our second pyramid, it's printing A. In our first inverse pyramid, it's writing A, printing 8. And in our second inverse pyramid, it's printing 5. Okay, so thank you for listening about how to make two diamonds and connecting them together. Okay? So it's simple. Okay, guys? So thank you everyone and bye.